New Leader Manufacturing is a manufacturing company based in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We were founded with one purpose: to build the best equipment possible. Whether that's spreading nutrients to fertilize crops or to de-ice a highway, we make it our mission to manufacture the most complete line of precision application spreaders in the world. NLM was founded in 1939 right here in Cedar Rapids. Today, we employ 170 people, 4 of whom work in our recently opened facility in Brazil. Here at NLM, I'm the Director of Marketing. One of the things that makes this company so unique is our technological evolution through the years. In the 1940s, we were building hand-operated spreaders. Today, we're designing smart spreaders that plug right into the cab and run off GPS. Operators are applying multiple products at once, all at varying rates, in a constantly adjusting pattern, and it's all automated. We've experienced this technological advancement in our internal operations as well. No longer are we cutting straight-edge pieces of steel with a shear. We're cutting highly intricate designs with a state-of-the-art fiber optic laser. 40 years ago, our engineers were hand-drawing prints and then physically testing those designs with pieces of steel. Today, our products are designed in a virtual 3D setting, and those designs are shared with our customers so that we can collaborate and identify any issues long before we ever build a prototype. This digital environment has let us become extremely efficient at what we do. We're constantly sharing real-time data between locations through our interconnected campus to ensure that we're operating as effectively as possible. Manufacturing requires so many different technology-related skill sets, and we are committed to supporting a talented workforce by promoting STEM education and careers in manufacturing. We are proud to be manufacturers and even more proud to help shape the future of this incredible industry and show others what it has to offer. We are New Leader Manufacturing, and we are an Iowa technology company.